Hey guys, welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Today I'm showing you how to get the Animal Crossing font. So I'm gonna type the name. And you want to go to the first site here. Alright, as you can see, if you're on this site here, I'm just gonna scroll down. Gonna give you an example here and here. And what you wanna do is you click on download now. It'll take 10 seconds to actually come up with the download. Alright, once 10 seconds passed, it will go in the left down corner. And I'll just have to go and do show in folder. Now I actually have a folder for all my fonts, so that's where I will actually put the file. Anyways, once you have it, you're just gonna do double click on it. So there's gonna be one file, that's the good file, which is gonna be this one here. With the logo, with the little A in the corner and the .ttf, which means it's the font file actually. So just wanna double click on it. Click install. As you can see, a little window will pop up. Then it will be done. I can now close this and actually close this. And I'll just show you in Photoshop how it looks. Alright, so as you might have seen, the font is actually called Think Heavy. And I'm just going to type Animal Crossing now to actually show you how it looks. Alright, and there we go. As you can see, you probably recognize it. It's the Animal Crossing font. Pretty easy to get, as you can see, pretty easy to download as well. Hope it helped, of course. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.